She's a Mona Lisa. Everyone's lining up to see her. She's a Mona Lisa.
Alright beauties, we're just going to jump right on into this hair transformation. So I'm going from a honey blonde, as you guys can see my ends are dyed blonde, to a jet black color. It's literally been years since I've been jet black, probably since high school, so we'll see how this goes. So my mom is first going to start by sectioning my hair into 4 sections just so she can apply the dye throughout my hair. And we were deciding between Dark and Lovely or Cream of Nature, but we decided to go with the Cream of Nature Intense Black throughout my entire hair. And we ended up using only two boxes of this. So my mom is just, as you can see, separating my hair into smaller sections and really just applying that color all throughout my hair, really focusing on those ends to turn that blonde into black.
You'll find her beauty goes much deeper once you get to meet her. She's a Mona Lisa. Everyone's lining up to see her. There must be something about her features. You'll find her beauty goes much deeper once you get to meet her. Let me paint a picture. I see they don't understand. Feeling like Picasso. She brushing against my hands. Seen you from around the way. You didn't give me the time of day. You be making moves that year. Who really care what Simon say? All the bad things, girl, I had to look past that. Call yourself a dime, I'm just trying to get my cash back. You be looking fine, so no wonder they can't match that. Louis V scarf, or I'm chilling with a dad. Whoa, slow it down like that. Just hold me down like that. Yeah. She's a Mona Lisa. Everyone's lining up to see her. There must be something about her features. You'll find her beauty goes much deeper once you get to meet her. She's a Mona Lisa. Everyone's lining up to see her. There must be something about her features.
As you can see, once my mom finishes a section, she takes the wide tooth comb and just combs that color through, which really reinforces that that color is going through each strand of my hair. And once she finishes that section, she moves on to the next and repeats the exact same steps.
Everyone's lining up to see her. There must be something about her features. You'll find her beauty goes much deeper once you get to meet her. You see her walking down the boulevard. She got the posture of a superstar. She looks so fly in those Gucci slides. Yeah, I wonder what she hides under her disguise. Yeah. And all the girls around the world, they wanna be her. And all the dudes are trying to score like it's fever. She lives a double life, puts on a show. What's under this subtle smile, we'll never know. She's a Mona Lisa. Everyone's lining up to see her. There must be something about her features. You'll find her beauty goes much deeper once you get to meet her. She's a Mona Lisa. Everyone's lining up to see her. There must be something about her features. You'll find her beauty goes much deeper once you get to meet her. Let me paint a picture. I see they don't understand. Feeling like Picasso. She brushing against my hands. Seen you from around the way. You didn't give me the time of day. You be making moves that year. Who really care what Simon say? All the bad things, girl, I had to look past that. Call yourself a dime.
So once my mom finishes applying all of the color, I'm just going to sit under a plastic cap for about 30 minutes. And the color also came with a deep conditioner. So after we wash the color out, I'm going to sit under a plastic cap with a deep conditioner for another 30 minutes. So now on to the blowout. We're using the Ions Silk Drops. And my mom just kind of is applying that to my hair to get ready to blow my hair out as a heat protectant and as something to make my hair shiny. So the key to a good blowout is really separating your hair into small sections when blow drying. So as you can see, my mom separated my hair into small sections, and she's really just taking her time to go through each of those sections to make sure that they are getting straight. And while blow drying, you also want to make sure that you're using a blow dryer with a comb to help you get the hair straight. If you don't have a blow dryer with a comb attachment, you can use a regular blow dryer and just follow the blow dryer with like a Denman brush or a comb or something like that to help your hair become straighter.
Once you get to meet her, you see her walking down the boulevard. She got the posture of a superstar. She looks so fly in those Gucci slides. Yeah, I wonder what she hides under her disguise. Yeah. And all the girls around the world, they wanna be her. And all the dudes are trying to score like it's fever. She lives a double life, puts on a show. What's under the subtle smile, we'll never know. She's a Mona Lisa. Everyone's lining up to see her. There must be something about her features. You'll find her beauty goes much deeper once you get to meet her. She's a Mona Lisa. Everyone's lining up to see her. There must be something about her features. You'll find her beauty goes much deeper once you get to meet her.
Let me paint a picture. I see they don't understand. Feeling like Picasso. She brushing against my hands. Seen you from around the way. You didn't give me the time of day. You be making moves that year. Who really care what Simon say? All the bad things, girl, I had to look past that. Call yourself a dime, I'm just trying to get my cash back. You be looking fine, so no wonder they can't match that. Louis V scarf, or I'm chilling with a dad. Whoa, slow it down like that. Just hold me down like that.
She's a Mona Lisa. Everyone's lining up to see her. There must be something about her features. You'll find her beauty goes much deeper once you get to meet her. She's a Mona Lisa. Everyone's lining up to see her.
Alright, so now that my mom's done blow drying, she's just going to go through and trim my ends just to make sure that my ends are nice and smooth and we get rid of those split ends. And just so that you all know, my mom is a licensed cosmetologist, so anything that you see her doing, is the go-to. I take what she does and what she says as holy grail. So yeah, so she's just gonna go throughout my hair and just trim my ends. And I also decided that since I'm going back black, I wanted to do some bangs. So as you can see, she's just kind of framing my face, combing the hair toward the front of my face, and getting ready to create those bangs. And for the bangs, we did decide to do just a point cut instead of a blunt cut to give it a little more pizzazz.
Yeah. And all the girls around the world, they wanna be her. And all the dudes are trying to score like it's fever. She lives a double life, puts on a show. What's under the subtle smile, we'll never know. She's a Mona Lisa. Everyone's lining up to see her. There must be something about her features. You'll find her beauty goes much deeper once you get to meet her. She's a Mona Lisa.
Alright, so now that my hair is blow dried, we're going to move on to straightening. So again, my mom is just sectioning my hair into small sections and just using the chase method to straighten my hair. So she is following a rat tooth comb with the flat iron just to make sure that my hair can get as straight as possible.
Feeling like Picasso, she brushing against my hands. Seen you from around the way, you didn't give me the time of day. You be making moves that year, who really care what Simon say? All the bad things, girl, I had to look past that. Call yourself a dime, I'm just trying to get my cash back. You be looking fine, so no wonder they can't match that. Louis V scarf, or I'm chilling with a dad. Whoa, slow it down like that. Just hold me down like that. Yeah.
She's a Mona Lisa. Everyone's lining up to see her. She's a Mona Lisa. Everyone's lining up to see her. She's a Mona Lisa. Everyone's lining up to see her. There must be something about her features. You'll find her beauty goes much deeper once you get to meet her. You see her walking down the boulevard. She got the posture of a superstar. She looks so fly in those Gucci slides. Yeah, yeah, I wonder what she hides under her disguise. Yeah, 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 yeah. And all the girls around the world, they wanna be her. And all the dudes are trying to score like it's fever. She lives a double life, puts on a show. What's under this subtle smile, we'll never know.
And this is the final look. I'm absolutely in love with my hair transformation. My hair looks healthy. It feels healthy. The black is definitely something to get used to, but I think the bangs give it a little extra. So I hope you guys liked this video. If you did, please give it a thumbs up. Subscribe to your girl down below and comment what you think of my new do. I'll see y'all in my next video. Deuces, beauties.
You'll find her beauty goes much deeper once you get to meet her.
Let me paint a picture. I see they don't understand. Feeling like Picasso. She brushing against my hands. Seen you from around the way. You didn't give me the time of day. You be making moves that, yeah, who really care what Simon say?